Nongaiktien Shaka Republic of the Philippines ubadang siya ajit thamai Harsh Kumar Jain hinin kasngi ula Ïakynduh ya Myntri ka Tnat Jngohkai Pyrthei but art and culture uba Paul Lingdo hanong ba Shillong. Kathong Jong Jain kalong ban kintiw ya kajing yade hapdeng kathan chete la miingi ka India but ka Philippines kabayade but ka Act East Policy jong ka Sarkar India. Ula penpaw ya kajing Itanat but kajing la jong ka Meghalaya ban watlat ban kintiw ya kijing ya kaliang haka Shore bat kapule puthi. Ula terwaru ya kajing kershan ya ki samla pule nakatay kathan ki ba pule shabari bat ula penslor ya ki ban penyaso bat ka embassy ha Manila.
To the officials and also make visit to some of the places and
You are perhaps aware about Act East policy of the Government of India, which primarily the objective is to promote relations between the northeast region of India and countries of the ASEAN, in the Southeast Asia. I'm happy to support them in any way they would want, and I'll be in touch with the students when they reach Manila, and I'll suggest them to be in contact with the embassy.
Suggestion that was well received by him was for Meghalaya to also go global and facilitate young talented musicians for a musical exchange program.